Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Mr. Chairman, as I understand it, this amendment was first seen on nature of substitute on our side of the aisle on Tuesday, and I am led to believe that it was also first seen by those who had been involved in this three-year process, Community Coalition, on late Tuesday. So that, I think it would be premature to say that, and since we have one letter, which I believe is the one Mr. Grijalva mentioned, dated September 17th, from 22 businesses who were involved in the coalition who were opposed to the amendment, the nature of substitute, that this reflects the view of the three-year locally based collaborative process and meets their goals and objectives. It seems like it's a very, very recent proposal which has not been brought before that group in any form. The Wilderness Society, who also was supportive of the previous bill, and I know the majority doesn't care about the position of the Wilderness Society, but they also no longer would support the bill in this form. So, I think it's kind of a mistake to create a controversy where none existed and impose the will of Washington on this with a surprise amendment at the very end of a three-year community-driven process. I mean, wilderness is very, very difficult. We've done very little of it. I'm sympathetic to the gentleman for, the time he's put in and not quite certain where and how this last-minute amendment and nature of a substitute came about. I think if it becomes part of the bill, that, the coalition, obviously, including some sportsmen's groups, wilderness groups, I'm not even sure if the two counties will still be supportive because they haven't even had time to react. It's unfortunate. If this was going to be proposed, perhaps it should have been proposed 1 or 2 or 3 months ago or during the summer recess when people could have a chance to vet it. With that, Mr. Chairman, we will not be able to support the proposal.